down at the beach. A couple of hours out with the Ultra, and I've got the SX24 on there. So let's give it a little spin. It is as calm as can be today. So 2 hours, probably maximum. Not sure if I'm actually going to get anything though. So enjoy. See you at the first hole. The tide is on the way out, by the way. But yeah, see you at the first hole. Right, then got a 28. Not very far down. It's just a solid 28. Could be a ring pull. 29. 28, 29. It's the first hole. It could be a bit of aluminium actually. Thinking about it. Yeah, just a beaver tail. So as always, first hole is on the video. A beaver tail. Got 78. Let you listen to it. $78. That's going to be 2p, 1p. That's out. Yeah, penny. Just a penny. Right, probably no more than about 6 feet away. Got an 84, 86. Oh, it's a 2 pence. So probably from the fisherman. Just a 2p. That's a 1980. Oh, I've just flicked over to gold mode, and we've got a 4. I'll try what that is. I'll have a look and see what that is rather. Still there. Could be a can, I suppose. Fishing weight. It's out. Whatever it is, it's a nail. It's just a, oh no, it's not even a nail actually. Don't know. No, don't know. I've remained in Goldfield because it's given me the full range of the machine. I've got to 19 to 22. So 22. Okay, never mind. Generally 86 to 91. Nothing at all now. No, nothing at all. Could be just salt in the water, in the sand, I suppose. But no, not giving me anything at all now. Oh well. Probably a can. 74, 75. I'll just put it on for yourself. It says. $74, $75 still. Not very far down, but I would say it's probably a can. Can or similar. And there you go. On a beach clean-up. What's that? Lilt? No. What's that? Sun? Whatever. Sun X Exotic. No metal detector required for this one. It's a surface fine. Some child will not be happy. They've lost their glasses. Alright, as you can see, I've changed the coil, so I've gone back to the stock coil. I've done an hour. I haven't really found a lot, so I think I found about 6 targets. So I just thought if I just change over to the stock coil, see if I can go for another hour, and then hopefully I'll have enough for a video. So let's see how we go. Alright, see you at the next hole. 2728. Let's just see if I can put that on so you can hear. I'm also in 99 tones. 2728. It's not picking it up on beach mode, so not too sure whether it'll be a ring pull or what. It's definitely not being picked up by beach mode. Ah, there it is. Spring clip. What was it? Just a clip. Yeah, just a clip. It wasn't being picked up at all in beach mode. 99 tones, no problem at all. Alright, nice sweet sound. The 9091. Just put it back into my ears. That's a 90, 91, 92. That's out. Just a bit of aluminium. Yep, just a bit of aluminium. Alright, I'm right next to where the aluminium was, which was there. We've got a 41 to 44. Might just be another bit of aluminium, to be fair. It's out. No, look at that. Don't know. Was it a does that move out? Obviously it's all fried up at the moment. It probably concertina's out, but it's a bit of copper. Well, it is jumping around. is generally a 72 to 75, but every now and again drops down into the 60s. That's now sitting at 75, 78. Now, it's out. Just a bit of aluminium. It's generally about around the 80s, late 80s. However, it's jumping around, so it's going down to the 70s as well. So likely to be another bit of aluminium, I would have thought. Set the sound off of you. Yeah, it's jumping around 82 up to 90. So it's got to be aluminium, I would have thought. It's out. Oh no, it's not. It's a coin. It's a coin. German coin. 10 Pfennig. It's Pfennig German. I think it is. Can't see a date on it. Yeah, Deutsch. Can't see a date on it though. There you go. 10 Pfennig. Just a ring pull. Just a ring pull. Sorry if the microphone didn't connect. No, couldn't get no further away from that. Copper bolt. Copper nut. Yeah, bolt. Copper bolt. You don't need a metal detector for that one. 65 solid. Just sit on the surface. Just sitting on the surface. 20 pence. There's a 45, 46 as well. Is that a bit of aluminium? Oh no, another coin. It's a 5p. Thank you very much. 42 to 44. Still a 42 to 44. And there it is. Just a washer. Just a washer. The end of my 2 hours. Thanks for joining me. As you see, I used 2 different coils. What, 3 coins I think it was, 4 coins, 5 coins, I don't know, something like that. Wasn't very many. A little bit of toot, but I've got enough to make a video. And that's what counts. Thanks for joining me. If you've stayed this far, thank you very much. If you already subscribed, excellent. If you're not, please just give us a subscribe. I do mainly go out onto beaches, and I try out various different machines. So today I'm out with the Simplex Ultra. I do apologise about the animals in the background. Yeah, it's been a nice couple of hours. Lovely weather today. Hopefully I can be out later with the DS2 on a different beach. Yeah, thumbs up, thumbs down, as it seems like I'm getting a few of them at the moment. So obviously the standard trolls back again. They haven't given me thumbs down for a long time, and now all of a sudden I'm getting thumbs downs again. So if my videos are really crap, I apologise, but at least give me a heads up where I'm going wrong, and I can alter it for you if that prevents you from doing the thumbs down. But just remember, the algorithm doesn't give a shit whether it's a thumbs down or a thumbs up, it's still an interaction. Yeah, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much.